Hey, this is Jeeps Rock. This is our no-top edition. We're going to be walking through the vehicle on all sides so you can see what's on the inside, so to speak. We also already done a hard top special feature edition, so if you would take a look at that as well after you've seen this video. But we're going to show you the rear, the passenger, and the driver's side on just some stuff we have on the inside. And what we'll first do is we'll go ahead and we'll first of all talk about our flag here. This is our Imperial flag. This was our dark side. So that's what we're flying this today. But what we're going to do is we're going to start with this. This is our Trac-Top off-road mount. And if you can see, you have a flag right here, which is great because it's nice and windy today. But you can also, if you want to, install like a whip or an antenna. It's also going to mount. But as you can see, it's behind the tire. I'm not kicking myself. I'm not, don't have a shin. Don't have to worry about that. That's what's really nice about this setup. And this is actually running on a TeraFlex HD tire carrier, and it does work with that on one side only. But if you are running your stock tire carrier on your vehicle, you can actually run two, so you have a really nice look with two flags on either side. But with the way we head up, we've got our heavy duty tire carrier, so that's why we're only running one. But it's nice and solid. It's easily removable. Take it out, you can switch them out if you wanted to. But again, it removes from having to use a trailer hitch, and then you also have the trailer hitch free from if you want to run bikes or something else with it as well. But that actually frees up your tire hitch by having the way it's installed. So that's our Trac-Top flag mount right there. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit, and we'll show you a little bit more behind what we've got here on the rear. All right, so what we've done is we went ahead and removed that flag from earlier, showed you how easy it was. The very first thing that stands out is going to be this 20-inch Stealth Hartes metal rim, and it's a 20. This is actually going to be a 35 1250 by 20 wheel, which is a Patagonia Milestar. We're running 5 of those. And what this is this wheel right here from Hartes Metal is actually an off-road wheel. It's not just for looks or for just a mall crawler, is what most of these have been called lately. But this is actually, we've hit the road, we've hit rocks, we've hit everything. It's standing up to a lot of abuse, and it's done really well. Again, it's been designed not just for the looks, but also for the rigid, and it's also actually very lightweight for a 20-inch. When these were installed, the installation, they were all commenting about not only the looks, but also just how light a 20-inch rim is for this particular size, is how light. They were really surprised. So it's one of the most lightweight out on the market, but also it's made for off-road. You also have here on the other side of me is the GP Factor mount, and what it does is it allows you to do a Rotopax, as you can see right here, or if you wanted to, you can take that off and put a max track. But what this is this one's a black one, and this one is actually for storage. So you unbolt it right here, and then what you can do is you have storage inside here. Put your gear stuff, anything that you need to get to right immediately on the trail. It's a nice setup. You can lock it, but you can also put up to 4 gallons of gas on here. So on most people that are running soft tops or no top, there's really nowhere to mount unless you want to put them on like your tire. But this allows you to leave your tire the way it is, have easy access to it, and put your gear where you need it. So it's a really good setup. If you look here, when I open this up, it looks completely different than anything else that you'll see on the market because of this particular shelf right here. The shelf allows you to have all this gear up top, and you can see this is all your normal cargo space you'd have in a Jeep. And it even has a pass-through wall through it. You can take the wall off. But we'll have a different video for the Diabolical Slipstream to show you all the accessories and all the different options. But we'll show you just a quick sneak peek of what's underneath here. If you look, we've also got a molly pack right here with all these different gear. We've got hatchets, we've got a whole bunch of stuff with flashlights. But we'll show that again in another upcoming video for just the Diabolical Slipstream. And before I get too much further, we did open up this tailgate, and if you might see right here, this is actually going to be a table. Just like that, you pull it, and that's how easy it deploys. But this is going to be a tailgate / molly system, and this is also from GP Factor. And this is actually going to be steel grade for all stainless steel, but it's also food grade safe as well. And then you also have your molly, which is a 7x13, which is giving you the most amount of space you can have for a molly system. And then we have like all our cooking here. We have all of our tools right here, and then we have a carabiner, pins, everything. We have real easy access to what we need the most on the trail. So that's going to be the rear side. We're going to go ahead, turn this around for you, and we'll show you what's on the passenger side.